Hey, I'm TJ, and here's a tip on how to increase your concentration when you're studying. One thing that I do that has helped me out in so many ways is to put my phone away when I'm studying. I know that this can be really hard, especially for our generation, but trust me, set a timer on it and maybe put it away. But it is amazing to either be handwriting your notes, maybe your laptop, or if you're reading a book, to just do it on there on a piece of paper or in a notebook. You don't really need your phone for a lot of things. Sometimes you do, and then, use it, but stay off social media apps. Don't go on Instagram, don't go on TikTok. Just use either for the calculator or the camera or whatever you may need it for. But be very intentional with the time you spend on your phone. You can also do this beforehand I'm going to study for about an hour. You can set a timer and don't touch the phone. Or you could do intervals of, let's say, 20 minutes if you don't think you could do an hour yet. Set a time for 20 minutes, work for a bit, then you can check your phone, then 20 minutes again. But that can be a little bit harder to, get in a very good focus. So try it out, keep your phone away, and I think you will see some improvement.